Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, we are going to discuss source list and contract. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. In first case, I'm going to create a source list with outline agreement, that is contract. Enter the transaction code ME01. Now press enter key. Enter your material master and plant. Press enter key. Enter validity date. So validity date I'm going to enter today date. Validity from date. Okay. Enter validity to date. This date I'm going to enter validity to date. Now enter the vendor master. Enter purchase organization. Okay. Now enter the outline agreement number, that is our quantity contract, along with line item number. Okay. Now press enter key. Now select the fixed vendor checkbox. In this case, purchase info record is not mandatory. Okay. Now click on the save option. Now I'm going to create purchase requisition. How? Source will determine automatically by using source list with the help of quantity contract. Just go to the transaction code /n ME51N /n I entered to close the previous transaction and to open new transaction. Okay. I closed the source list and I opened the purchase requisition screen. Now select the source list determination checkbox. Enter your material number. This is my material number. Enter quantity. For example, I'm going to enter 50 quantity. Okay. Delivery date it automatically takes from material master. Enter your plant. I'm going to enter 1000. Okay. Purchase group I'm going to enter 101. Okay. Now press enter key. Now click on source of supply. Yes, system automatically determined the outline agreement in purchase requisition. In the second case, I am going to maintain outline agreement in the source list with MRP indicator to generate purchase requisition automatically. Okay. Enter the transaction code ME01. Now press enter key. Enter your material and plant. Press enter key. In the second line, so just copy the previous date, paste it. In this case, I am going to use different vendor. Okay. 1001. Okay. Enter purchase organization. Enter outline agreement number here. This is my outline agreement number along with line item number. Okay. Here we can maintain the fixed vendor indicator for different contract and maintain the MRP indicator for different contract. This is possible. Okay. That is the reason in this example I taken two different contracts to show the possibility. Okay. Now maintain the MRP indicator. MRP indicator I am going to maintain 1. Okay. Now save the source list. In this case, I already maintained safety stock in material master MRP to view to run the MRP. Now I'm going to run MRP in the transaction /n MD03 single material single level. Okay. Now press enter key. Enter your material master. Here change the create purchase requisition indicator to 1. Okay. Change the date. So today is holiday, that is the reason I'm going to put tomorrow date. Okay. Select this display indicator. Now press enter key. Press enter key again. Yes, system generated the purchase requisition. Okay. Now save it. Go to the stock requirement list. Transaction code is MD04. Press enter key. Press enter key again. See here, our purchase requisition is created. Now double click on this purchase requisition. Click on display option. Click on source of supply. Yes, system successfully determined the source of supply. That's a today video tutorial. If you find that this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.